Right then, where are we today? That one. Look at this. Another nice church. I've been inside and it's pitch black. Although the camera's got quite good at picking light up, it's darker than usual. So we peek outside first. Oh, there's a rector here. Can you see what it says? Joseph Staines Cope, for 17 years rector of this parish, born May 1829, died 1902. There you go. Now, up here, they've got a stone slate roof. Cool. Them slits. That'll be the oldest part of the church, I suppose. And then they got sort of tiles, and then sort of brown tiles now. Right then, let's have a wee quick peek inside. Oh, have I told you what it's called yet? That little tiny hole up there. There's probably no sundial. Right, let's go in. So, what's it called? That's what it's called there. St. Nicholas's Church, Chaldon Herring. We're in East Chaldon. Right. This is the little porch as you go into the church. Just swing the door open a bit. Right. There we go. There's the altar end up there. Cool. Little chandelier. Oh, there's writing up here. There's writing all along here. Let's just say. Let's see if we can zoom in a wee bit. Right, it says, sing unto the Lord, a new song, sing unto the Lord. All the whole earth, let the people praise thee, O God. Let all the people praise thee. The next one is, Lord, thou hast been our refuge from one generation, and we can't read the rest because it's all muffed out. It's all mushed out. Right then, what's this say on the door? Oh, look at this font. Isn't that pretty? Sort of marbly. It looks like marble, but I think it's Portland stone or something. That's cool. Right, there's an old thing on the top here saying, in memory of Andre Bonnet, 1898 to 1979. That's a good idea. But it's a lovely little church. It's pitch black in here, you can see. It's very grainy. The video. Got these little plaques on the wall. Different shapes. Let's go down here a bit. But might be able, the fog's lifted somewhat, so I might be able to have a wee fly over. Look at that little mitre, bishop's mitre, bishop's hat. What's this one? Can you see it? Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. 1419 war. Once went off and fought for the country. I still got it set up for Christmas. And they got the, it looks like it's growing inside, but it's not. Ivy and holly, and it looks like a cyclamen plant there in the window. There's the pulpit. Look at that. It's very nice brown. It's quite it's quite cool in here because I can see my breath. Right, let me hop up into the pulpit. Have a wee look. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. This is what the vicar or the priest or whoever can see. You can see all the congregation. I don't know, there might be I reckon about 100 places in here. Look at that. It's gorgeous. The wood's really nice and smooth. Now, right, we're in the altar area. Let's have a look at the stained glass windows. Nice and slow, so not steady. Okay, it's beautiful. Very nice. I see brass cross, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I've been using the one, it's a bit dusty. Right, there we go. More little plaques, like these stone plinths. Read that. I'm going to be colourblind. Right. Yeah. Lovely stone. I think it may be Portland, because I'm not far from Portland now, in that vicinity. The tiles look great. Look at that. Beautiful tiles. Look like the ones from the church I done the other day. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I've got my light on full tilt because it is terribly dark. This is why the colour of these things stand out, because there's no sunshine getting in here and sort of melting the bleaching the colours. A nice wee chair, look. Look at one of these jobbies. Thy presence is fullness of joy. So, in loving memory of Charles Richard, M.A., vicar of this parish, 1906 to 1917. Right then, we're in the orchestra area. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? The pretty, just looking above it there. I don't know if that's old dampness or whatever, but they've got a little cherub up here. It's just the one that looks, little angel. Isn't that cool? I might have a bit of dry rot or wet rot or something up there. Leakage. Look at that, it's beautiful. Cool. Right, let's go here. What's that? Another part of the organ round here. It is down floor level, it says. The size of pipes. Gemantic. Look at that. Not pretty. There it is when it's sunny. Can you read that? First confirmation service of St. Nicholas Church for 50 years, 1967. There's a nice stained glass window there. It was taken in front of this church window. Look at that, beautiful. In the midst of the congregation will I praise thee. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just zoom right in. There's writing above all the halos. See? I can't see it, it's very small. It's tiny. But the colours are amazing. Right. Next picture on the wall. This was Chaldon Fate, 1945. Look at that. Cool. I like these old pictures. Time's gone by. History, it's all history. Churches with history. Whatever we ask, we receive of him. Right, we're going back in. That looks like a piano. No, it's not. It's got robes or something on it. No, I think that's the lot. There's another font here. No, this must be a really old one. But this one. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. It's got a hinge on it. The doors can we see inside? Not really. Right then, that's my lot.